Yo, what's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. Um, Today I'm going to do a top-down analysis on US dollar index, and we'll mark up some key levels so that we will play it due to during this days and maybe coming weeks. So as you can see, this is the monthly time frame on the dollar index, and here we have this up move as I discussed before on euro dollar, and we have this low to the high. If we take it, you can see that this is the equilibrium and the mid-range of this range. So any price below this level, below this mid-range, is a discount price, and buyers will step in to buy it. So as you can see, price went below the mid-range and got supported twice. So what I expect is this level hold price and cause the price to go higher and fill this inefficiency on the monthly time frame. Beside this equilibrium, we have this monthly fair value gap in here from this low to the high. So you can see that this is the monthly fair value gap. Price has tagged twice into this level and got rejected to the upside. Beside this fair value gap, we have this bullish candle, this monthly bullish candle from month of May. It closed above this down candle, so this down candle can be our bullish order block, and the body of this candle is essential for us. And you can see that we haven't closed any body below this bullish order block. So currently this is essential level of support on the monthly time frame, and targets can be this high and this high on the monthly time frame. Now we go to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, you can see that we have been within this range, so I form a range from this low to this high. So this is the weekly range from this low to this high. I remove this monthly range from here, so you can see that this is our weekly range. We have taken the liquidity below this weekly range and this low, and we pushed up to the upside. So what we expect is bullish narrative for DXY. And here I remove this one as well, and this lines. So from the monthly time frame, in the weekly you can see that we were in a bullish leg. We dumped, took liquidity from this, we made a market structure shift and pumped up to this order block. So we got rejected from that and came to this level of this range, which is a quarter of this range, and also this weekly order block. So we tagged this and we took liquidity from this low. So this is the liquidity below that, and we tagged this weekly order block. So we should expect support on this level and upside. And once price manages to get above this mid-range, we should target this level and this range high. So now I will mark up the fair value gaps on weekly time frame. These are the weekly fair value gap, this one, which is from this up move, and we can use it here as well. Beside this, we have this fair value gap from this down leg. So currently price has been ranging within these two fair value gaps, and I'm waiting for a break either to the upside or downside of this fair value gap, and we will see which way it goes. But what I expect is up move, as today we have FOM meeting, and as well as tomorrow I think it's NFP. So this week is NFP, and after those news we'll see how price acts. If it manages to go up like this above this level, then we expect a correction and higher target this level on the weekly time frame. So now we go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, you can see that weekly liquidity low, it was also a liquidity on the daily time frame, and we have this fair value gap on the daily, which is also this volume gap. So this is a CBBC and balance price range. So I also mark this on the daily time frame. like this. So this is a support area. Once price tags this level after taking the low liquidity from this low, you can see it push up quite strongly and makes a market structure shift. I also mentioned this on my Telegram and Twitter that I want to see a market structure shift above this high, and after that you might expect higher prices for dollar index. So after this market structure shift and displacement, we had this fair value gap on here from this high to this low. So this is the fair value gap on daily time frame. Price tags into this level, but it does not close any candle below this, so it gets supported as well as from this daily order block. And after that it pushes high, makes a break of structure, higher high, and it gets rejected from this level, which is this daily order block, and as well as weekly order block, this weekly order block. So this is the weekly order block. It gets rejected from that and comes back to this level. So in here you can see we have these two down candles, and we can use these down candles as our order block, daily order block, and you can see price has been supported on here, and this low is our intermediate low. So what I want to see is price should not go below this level in the coming days, in this week after the news we have. So it should not close below this level. If it does, then we might go lower and once again tag this level. But if it does not go below this level and be supported on this fair value gap orange zone, I expect bullishness for this above. Once it goes above this weekly fair value gap, closes daily candle above here, and this mid range, which is our weekly mid range in here. So basically I want to see a close like this above this level, and then retest, maybe a retest, and after that we can target this level. So this is the plan for US dollar index for coming days and weeks, but we will be cautious and we'll see how the news affects the US dollar index, and either it gets rejected from this area or it makes this scenario possible for us, so we trade it towards this level. So this is the higher time frame play for dollar index. If I go to the hourly time frame, in here you can see that we had this previous week low, previous week high. We got a correction into the discount of this range, which is below the mid range of that, and we got up. Once again we took liquidity from these lows. We have been ranging in here, and today it went up. Today in the London session it tagged this order block, hourly order block, and twice got supported on here and went up. So currently it's above the fair value gap, weekly fair value gap, and above this high. If the daily closes around here or higher on this level, we will see higher prices for dollar index on the hourly time frame, and our initial target on lower time frames will be this high as well as this high. So these are the targets we will be looking to play if price manages to stay above this level. So these are the potential target. I hope you enjoyed this video and US dollar index top down analysis. Wish you a great trading week. Have a nice day.